Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we have here today is two products from the same company, two wireless chargers for either your iPhone X or your Samsung Galaxy. But in my case, for this video, I'm not a fan of Android, so I actually had to went and purchase a iPhone X to make this video. So hopefully you guys hit the like button, because I'm about to be broke with this purchase here. But anyways, enough about that. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of these items. But first off, let me show you the phone itself. Like I said, I didn't want to get it at all, but this thing looks amazing. I actually kind of fell in love with it, with the exception of the size of the phone. While the screen is almost the same size as the S Plus or 7S Plus, still I wasn't happy about it anyways. But let's go ahead and check out this wireless charger. So this one is a wireless charger that, you know, when you buy those magnetic holders, you usually have to stick a metal plate behind your phone. In this case, it's around the same thing, but for this one you will actually have to have a case for it, otherwise it will not stay in place. So this is the part that I am talking about. It has the magnetic thing right here, paper, and this one has to go behind your phone. I'll show you in a little bit, but let's get into the charger itself and see what's inside the box. But this thing has to go right there, and before you install it, you gotta make sure that it's actually in the right area. If it's not centered, it's not gonna charge. That magnetic thing does actually have a sticky side to it. You do not have to put it on, but just in case. But it does include two different adapters. This one is for the AC vent, and this one is just in case if you just wanna put it anywhere, either the window or around the car, just stick it. But this thing, you unscrew it and slide that ball in, and then tighten it up, and it just fixes the angle where you want it to be at. One thing that I did really love about this thing is that it has a retractable cable, so you can pull it out all the way and then push this little button and it retracts. Pretty good. That's one good feature that I really liked about it. But once you plug it in, it'll turn green on two sides of the panel, and then once it's actually charging, it'll be blue on all four sides. So that's pretty good. It does have a delay. Like, let's say as soon as you unplug not unplug, but pull out the charger from the phone, the blue will still stay on for like a little while, like probably like around 3 seconds, and then it'll turn green. But not that much of a big deal. Still works out pretty good. Like I said, this one you do require a case for it. If you don't want to use a case, you can still just pretty much remove those magnets, but you gotta make sure you glue them exactly where they're at, because this thing has the magnetic thing on all four corners specifically. So if you do not want that ugliness of this white thing there, and you just want to glue in the magnets or the metal that's inside there, you can do that, but just make sure you put them in the right area. But anyways, here is with the case on, and you'll see how strong this thing is as far as holding the phone in place or of your phone falling. So I'm shaking it, it does not fall. It's pretty strong. You shouldn't fear of it falling unless you're literally jumping off a cliff. I don't know why would you do that, but okay. unless you're one of those off-roader type of persons. But anyways, pretty good. Like I said, everything is good about this product except for that white thing right there, which is needed. I don't like it. But this is the second product from the same company. This is just a regular phone holder, but this one, the advertisement for this one is supposedly is a fast charge. Not sure what that means exactly. I don't know if it means for just for wireless, as far as wireless goes, or if it's actually like a fast charge. You know how when you hook up a iPad charger to the brick, the iPad charger brick, to the phone, and it charges it faster. Not sure if that's what it is or not, but anyways, this one is actually still pretty cool. It has this button right here on the back. It'll spread the arms, and the lip or the suction cup is actually sticky as well. I didn't expect that at all. Usually they're just all suction cups, but this one is a suction cup and sticky pad as well. So extra hold power there, pretty good. And the arms here are actually pretty even as far as when coming to holding the phone in place. I already had experienced different ones that are you put them and either the right arm or the left arm is gonna be more loose than the other one, and it's not gonna keep the phone in place evenly. But this one so far is actually doing a great job. That's what I like. The negative about it for me myself is that the USB cable, obviously you could wrap it around it and hide it, but the reason I love the other one is because it's just, to me, seems more appealing than this one. But to each its own. But pretty much this is it, guys. Hit the like button if you have one, you own one. Share your comments down below, and thanks for watching. Like and share for more how-to and tech videos.